Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face or set the custom watch face. Basically, if you want to use your own picture or image as a watch face on this watch. Before we start, if you want to set a custom watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application, and once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the application, tap on the devices icon to open the devices page. Here find your HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro, tap on it, then scroll down and look for an option called My Faces. If you're missing this option, it could be because when you install the application for the first time, you were asked to select a region, and you selected a region that doesn't support this feature. This is just my speculation, but I think it could be that. Or you're not logged into a HUAWEI account in the app, basically. If you want to fix this, because if you have a problem, you could try to fix it by reinstalling the application, selecting a different region. For example, I'm using the not HUAWEI, but United Kingdom, my bad. Or you could try to log into HUAWEI ID account in the app, and hopefully one of these options or fixes will help. Okay, and once you see the My Faces option, tap on it. And here we have the list of watch faces local on our watch, so basically installed on our watch. Look for the one called Gallery, tap on it. And here we have the option to make our custom watch face. We have the images category. Basically, we can tap on plus button and add an image we want to use as our watch face. So tap on plus, and we have take photo and select from gallery. If you tap on take photo, it will open the camera app. You can take a photo with your phone and use it as a watch face. And if you tap on select from gallery, it will open the basically file manager or photo app on your phone, and you can select the picture from your phone. I'm gonna use the second option, so I'm gonna tap on it, allow the required permission, select the preferred photos app, and now we can browse through the albums. I'm gonna select pictures, and here we have a couple of pictures we can use. For example, I'm gonna tap on this one, and now we need to crop the image. Basically, it's too big to fit on the watch face, so we can zoom in and zoom out, and we can move left and right. So we can select the part of the picture we want. Once you crop it, tap on the check mark, and here we have a preview. Now, you can have only one picture if you want, or you can have multiple. So if you tap here, you can add another picture if you like to. It's not required, but if you like to have multiple watch faces, you can do it. Tap on the check mark once you're done cropping it, and here we can edit it a bit further. We can select the color of the tint, basically filter, I would call it rather. We can select the type of the clock or style of the clock. We can also select the font of the clock, and we can move it to some positions. And finally, we can select the color of the clock. You can also add the widgets. So for example, we can add the battery info and something like maybe sleep time, like that. And you can do it for the second picture. So we can select the picture and customize it also. Like this. Change the font, change the position. Okay. Maybe let's change add different widgets. Like this. Okay. And once you're done customizing your watch faces, you can tap on apply. They will be saved, uploaded to your watch, and once it's done, they're gonna be basically applied to your watch. So let's wait until it's done. And here we have it. And if you have multiple pictures added as a watch face, you can simply tap on the current one to cycle between them. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. and leaving the like on the video.